Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get this party started. Go rising, go rising, go rising. As I'm creating this video under the sun, I'm always getting a ton on return. And that is a confirmation. That is a confirmation that I'm absorbing life. Light is life. Light that I can now share with my soul tribe. Life is good. Life is beautiful. Life is great. And every day, in every way, we what? Every day, in every way, we elevate. Because we are not afraid. We are not afraid. Because we are all faith. Every day. Let's walk. Every day. Wait, hold on a second. In every way. Not just every day. No. Every day in every way. Every day in every way. I say every day in every way. Speak it into existence. We become better and better. We become better and better. We are in a constant state of awakening. In a constant state of awakening. We're always learning. We're always elevating. Now the sun. The major frequency transmitted in the universe, the sun, the giver of life, the one that makes everything bright, always has a message for you. Always, every day, okay? Light is information, okay? Light is energy, and energy is information, okay? The same information that is growing these plants, right? The same information that is growing the food that you eat, yeah, that is called light. That is the light of the sun, okay? That's intelligence. So intelligent that it's growing the food that you eat to keep you alive. It's powered by the sun, yeah? That guy up there, Our closest star, our brightest star, the sun. You wanna feel illuminated? Face the sun. There is plenty of light for everybody. There is plenty of light for everybody. The sun. Oof. The sun is a star, just like you are. The sun is a star, just like you are. These are facts. Once again, these are facts, okay? These are facts. This is the high vibrational channel. This is the true channel. Facts, baby, facts. Facts in your face. Facts in your face. Facts. We speak based on facts. I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're taking care of yourself. I really hope you have a smile on your face right now. I really hope you're feeling blessed, okay? Because you are. Because you are, okay? You are rich and you don't even know it, okay? You are rich and you don't even know it. How much would you give for one of your eyes? How much would you give one of your eyes for $1 million? No, right? You see? You see how rich you are? Now, don't wait until you lose an eye to realize that you're already rich. You don't have to wait until you lose an eye to realize how rich you are already. You see? But the thing is that when we lose something, that's when we realize that we had it. Shit, we had it. I had it here. I had everything within me. And I was bitching and complaining like a little bitch. And now I lose something and oh my God. We don't know what blessings are until we lose them. And then we learn gratitude. Don't wait, don't wait, don't wait. You don't have to wait until you lose something to miss it, right? What's the point? What's the point? Life is all about appreciation, my friend. Life is all about appreciation. You see, when you appreciate everything you have, right? You always feeling in a state of abundance. You always feel good. Because when you love what you have, you got everything you need. When you love what you have, you got everything you need. But if you're giving your attention to one little thing, whatever it is, a dress, a shirt, a suit, if all your attention is in buying that suit, you're not happy, you're not fulfilled, you're in lack, you're all over the place, but in here. Right? You know what I'm saying? Your attention must be here, because if you're always looking out there, you're lost, my friend. Don't get lost out there, because it's very easy. It's very easy to get lost, okay? It's very easy to get lost these days. There are too many things to look, right? Too many things. How about you look at yourself? I'm looking at you. Like I was saying, I don't even know what I was saying, to be honest. But you know how we do. We move via intuition, right? And your intuition is leading the mission, okay? Your intuition is leading the mission. I'm not thinking, I'm just feeling, okay? I'm just feeling. I was there, now I'm here. I'm just, you know, I'm honoring my feelings. That's what intuition is all about. You don't have to do what everybody else is doing. No, because you are different. You know, see, your timing is not the same as everybody else, okay? So you can never compare yourself to anybody, to anybody's success, to what anybody's doing, to anybody's business, to anybody's nothing, because everybody is different, right? You're destined to do one thing. Other people are destined to do other things, right? You got some talents that I don't have. I have some skills that you don't have. But the beautiful thing about it is that life is all about coming together and create something greater than ourselves. It's not about me, oh, I'm better than you. No, it's about we are all great together, baby. Come on. You know what I'm saying? From the cosmic view, you can see the whole picture. From the cosmic view, you can see the whole thing, right? If you're always thinking everything, oh, me, you're not really living. You're not really living, because if you live in your mind, you're not living, you're thinking. If you live in your mind, you are not living, you are thinking. And overthinking, overthinking ruins the situation. Overthinking fucks everything up, okay? Because when you overthink, you create problems that you didn't have to begin with when you started thinking. There is nothing to think, my friend. There is everything to feel, okay? Life is all about appreciation. Gratitude is appreciation, and appreciation is love, okay? You will only feel blessed if you express gratitude first. Because gratitude is the key that opens the door to abundance, okay? Gratitude is the key. I open the door over there. I'm living in abundance. Why? What is the reason? I don't need a reason. I am the reason. You are the reason, right? You are the reason. But you see, by me putting myself on this vibrational state, now I'm attracting everything magnetically to me. People, places, and things, everything will come to me. I will attract everything to me based on the vibration that my heart is radiating. You know what I'm saying? Your heart is always beating. It's always beating, right? It's always sending a pulse to the universe, because everything is interconnected. So every beat of your heart is sending a signal to the universe, which is you, based on how you feel, right? So when the universe receives that beat, right, that vibration, depending on what it is, it's a love, it's a not. Depending on that vibration, That's what you're gonna see in your reality, right? You see, I'm feeling good right now. I'm grateful. I'm happy. I feel good. I feel good. So everything I'm looking at is good because I'm feeling good. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going around. Oh, maybe I feel good over here. Let me see. No. Maybe it's over here by the fountain. Maybe it's over here. Maybe I feel good over here. No, it's not over here. What is it? The feeling is never outside of yourself, my friend. The feeling is never outside of yourself. You are the feeling. You're the feeling machine. You know what I mean? You're the feeling machine. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path, okay? There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. So, prioritize your happiness. Prioritize your state of being. You know what I mean? Because you are the asset. I'm gonna remind you every day, don't worry. I'm gonna remind you every day. You are the most valuable asset. You are the prize you've been working for. It's you. There is nothing more valuable in your life than you. Because without you, nothing works. Why would you want something if you don't have yourself? Okay, so once again, when you prioritize the most important things in life, you will always be living in abundance, okay? Your life is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. And the greatest gift you can receive is another day of life. It's another day of life. And you got it. Right? I'm aware of that. I'm aware that the greatest gift that I could receive today is another day of life. And here I am, walking in this beautiful neighborhood talking to you. Am I blessed or what? Of course I am. Why? Because I got life in my body. Now, everything that comes after that is a blessing because I already got the most important thing. I could be sick right now in bed. Hey, I could be sick in bed. Shit happens. But no, I'm walking through nature. That's how blessed I am. I'm aware of that. Right? I'm aware of that. I don't need millions of dollars. I don't need shit. No, because I'm appreciating the most important thing. Now, everything that comes into my reality, while I'm having this awareness, everything will be magical because I am already in a state of abundance, okay? That's what you gotta do. Stop chasing people, chasing things, you know? You are it. You are the happiness, you are the feeling. You are the feeling. You are the feeling you're looking for, okay? Whatever you're looking for is a feeling. If you want a new car, it's the feeling of the car. You want to feel good driving the car. If you want a house, it's the feeling of, oh, wow, look, I love my house. It's a feeling, right? Because life is a feeling. Life is a feeling process. And you are the feeling, my friend. You are the feeling. You are the feeling machine. So don't wait. Stop waiting for something outside of yourself to come and make your day, because you can take care of it right now. Ay, ay, ay. You are it. You are it. Okay? Stop looking outside of yourself and start appreciating who you are. Okay? Who you already are. Okay? You don't need to become nothing. You already are something that you can't even imagine how great you are. Get to know yourself, because self-realization is priority number one. You getting to know yourself is priority number one. Knowledge of self is the most important thing, because when you know yourself, forget about it. Nobody can fool you. Nobody can fool you when you know yourself, because when you know yourself, you realize that you are the truth, okay? And when you are the truth, you're on top of the world, in the penthouse, with your own key, with your own elevator. Untouchable, unreachable. Up there, Your heart is golden. Your mind is brilliant. Face the sun. And your soul is pure. Peace.